Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to search users on Onlyfans. Alright, so let's begin. To get started, open the website and sign into your account. You'll need an active account before accessing features and searching through content on the platform. Once you're signed in and on the home page, locate the search bar. Inside the search field, type the name, username, or keywords related to the person or creator you are trying to find. For example, you can search using a creator name, account handle, or other identifying terms if you know them. After entering your search, browse through the results that appear. Depending on the search terms, you may see profiles, posts, or related content. If you find the person you're looking for, simply tap or click their profile to open it and view their page. If your search does not immediately show the right result, try different variations of the username, use more specific keywords, or check the spelling. Searching with exact account names usually produces better results. And that's it. This is how you can search users on OnlyFans. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.